and Sciences, ladies and gentlemen. Now we proceed to our next candidate.
Contestant number 12, please.
Our contestant number 12 is from the College of Education, Mr. Christian Titus Concepcion.
He does have some fans on our right side.
Right. The College of Education is noted to have the most huge crowd in every activity. How do you feel tonight?
I feel great and happy because I see the crowd supporting me. I told College of Education students and to all the Muslims and my father and mother are sitting out there, and to all the College of Education faculties and to our teams, and so to God who gave this night to me. Thank you.
Candidate number 12.
Sir.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Your future starts at the Negros Oriental State University.
Music, please.
May we request our operator to please stop the music. Thank you.
Thank you.
Your future starts at the Negros Oriental State University. How will you do it?
I will simply do being my future starts here at the Negros Oriental State University by being a flexible person that can adapt immediately to the changes that is happening in my environment in order to contribute not locally but globally. Thank you.
Very well said from the College of Education.
The fans and the cheers are getting louder and louder. We would like to ask again the cooperation of the audience to please allow our candidates to finish their speech or giving ideas so that our judges could clearly understand and could clearly grasp the points of our contestants.
Thank you. And now we have the last of the top three from
Campuses.
Alright. Bias campuses.
Candidate number 13. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Your future starts at the Negros Oriental State University. How will you do it? Your future starts at the Negros Oriental State University. How will you do it?
My future starts in Negros Oriental State University. I will do it not to be a normal student like others, but I also want to be a student that is flexible, that I must manage my time and do also extracurricular activities, and also I must entail the virtue of our teaching, that I entails the firmness in facing the challenges as a student and as a citizen in this country.
Very well said. Thank you very much from the Bias City campuses. Hello, candidate number 1.
Hello, sir.
Okay, we will have another question from Dr. Henry Sabor.
Miss Jacqueline,
Yes, sir.
I will quote a line in the Norso hymn. This university is for the last and for the least, but it is hope for the best. Explain. I will repeat that. This state university is for the last and for the least, but it is the hope for the best.
Well, definitely some people would really say Norsura, but I believe Norsu has many things to be proud of. One of them is having students who are capable or flexible, who are productive, and highly qualified as they go out from the Palanca University. NORSUD personally serves as my molding ground. I am certainly considering myself not the least because I believe NORSUD molds the best, and it is me. Thank you.
Thank you very much from the Saco campus. Candidate number 1. Very well said. Thank you very much. You can now take your place at our back.
We may now hear the idea and the explanation of contestant number 10.
That is an ideal explanation with an ideal question from a university president. Right now we shall call on candidate number 10 of the College of Maritime Education, Ms. Izumi Liu. Hi, candidate number 10.
Hello.
Do you want to greet your friends, or maybe your dean or your family who are with you tonight?
Well, of course, I want to meet my tourism family, the tourism department of Negros Oriental University, main campus 1, and some of my friends from the other departments as well. Thank you so much for your support, guys.
Alright, we have a question from our university president, Dr. Henry Soward.
Candidate number 10. I will quote a line from the NORSUD hymn. I will quote a line in the NORSUD hymn. This state university is for the last and for the least, but it is the hope for the best. Explain.
Well, that explains that this university is for students who are less fortunate than the other students from the other universities. But that doesn't stop us, we the Norsunians, to pursue our dreams because as the saying goes, education is the best investment for our brighter future, and for that, we will do our best to achieve our dreams and goals in life. Thank you.
There you have it from College of Maritime Education, Ms. Izumi Liu.
One more to go.
One more.
And we are ready to announce the winners for the Mr. and Miss NORSUD 2010, who will be.
And our last for the top 3, for her question and answer, final question and answer, she is from the College of Bayi City campuses. Alright, here's a question from Dr. Henry Soward.
Candidate number 13. I will quote a line from the NORSUD hymn. I will quote a line from the NORSUD hymn. This university is for the last and for the least, but it is the hope for the best. This university is for the last and for the least, but it is the hope for the best.
Negros Oriental State University is a school for the poor and deserving people. Every student here is intelligent, respectful, and well-disciplined people. So the Negros